What's up, fellow vapers? Welcome to the Freeton vaping world. Today we are excited to introduce something huge, the Octa disposable vape. If you are looking for a vape that not only performs like a champion, but looks incredibly cool and durable, you are in the right place. Let's step in and see what makes the Octa so special. First up, let's talk about the packaging. As you can see, it's a really sharp-looking box with a great image of the Octa device on the front. The packaging immediately calls your attention to some major features, like 3 power mode, turn on and off function, dual mesh coils, adjustable airflow, MDLI technology, and a whopping 60,000 puffs. Flipping it around, you'll find more detailed information on the side and back, along with all the necessary safety warnings clearly labeled. Alright, time to open this up. Let's get it out of the box and take a closer look. With the plastic bag open, and there it is, the Octa. The moment you pick it up, you feel how solid it is. The mech-inspired armor-like design is just awesome. And check out that integrated screen right there on the front, looking super sleek and ready to go. Now let's step into the features what make the Octa a game changer. It offers 3 power modes, giving you unmatched precision and versatility to effortlessly switch to your perfect strength. Just a button press, choose normal for a smooth balanced vape, turbo for more intense heat, or boost for maximum power. You also have the adjustable airflow slider at the bottom, allowing you to master your vaping experience from a tight MTL draw to an open DTL heat, precisely adjusting it for the ideal draw every time and offering complete flexibility. Keeping track of your settings and status is easy with the clear integrated display on the front, showing you all the critical details at a glance, including e-juice levels, battery status, and power modes, adding essential precision and convenience. For activating with ease and ensuring security you can trust, you can turn the device on or off instantly with a quick 5-click operation on the button, a simple way to ensure secure whenever needed, combining ease of use with added peace of mind. Octa has 10 flavors: watermelon ice, cool mint, blue rice ice, strawberry watermelon, blueberry watermelon, sour apple ice, juicy peach, strawberry kiwi, pink lemonade, grape ice. As for the specifications, with Octa's ultra-large capacity and incredible 60,000 puffs, you can go further with endless flavor. The dual mesh coils powered by Freeton's MDLI technology provide instant heating, consistent performance, and superior flavor delivery. The robust 850 mAh battery with Type-C charging ensures you always have the power to go all day. It's all about freedom and extended enjoyment. So there you have it. Go check it out in our website. I'll leave the link below. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment and like us. For more Freeton vapes, subscribe and stay tuned. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy Freeton.